Fellow gamers. So I tried recording another video last night and the footage got corrupted and it just was weird. And I was playing Oxygen Not Included. So I just wanted to make this real quick video to show you what I did. I didn't do much. The video was just kind of short. It got corrected though. So yeah, this is what happened. We removed the everything. We basically just redid everything. So yeah, we're researching still, I'm pretty sure. Are we still researching? Or do we have that? Because I'm pretty sure... Where is it? Here it is. Yeah, we're almost done researching. So we're researching that. Oh, we already have it. Oh. Okay. So we're researching that as well. I need the jumbo batteries. You know, this is going to be the battery room. Yeah, this is going to be the battery room. Hold on. I'm gonna put one oxygen right there. Gonna demolish these. And then I will place all the batteries. I'll place that battery and that battery. So yeah, let's click play. Let's also demolish these. These guys can actually breathe at least while they sleep. Wait, do these guys eat the materials on the floor? Guess not. Good. Just another apology for... That's just stupid how this thing works. How this video thing works. It works good. It's just not good enough for me. Oh yes, we finished the research. Okay. Okay, everything seems to be working quite well. So, should we get this, get this, get this? Okay, those things, I think we should, I think I'm gonna research this. Okay, dude, you don't have to run anymore. Let me just make that a 5 priority. Ooh, we found an egg. That's dope. Yeah, this is a good power room. Let's look at our oxygen. Oh, yes. Perfect. Now that everyone's sleeping, I'm gonna pause it real quick. I'm going to choose a blueprint. Supply, tire, building, okay. Creative. You can't research, but we already have a researcher. Doctor, coding, building. I think I want. I think I want this one. Probably shouldn't print it right now because it's sleep time, and she doesn't have a bed yet, so she's just gonna sleep on the floor. Sadly. Hey, everything seems to be working out pretty well. Okay, good. You're researching. Okay. This is working well. I love this. This is the best one I had so far. So right now, I want them to, yes, I want them to dig. I need them to dig. Priorities. Oh, let's turn those to 5 so they're not stressed. Let's turn these to 6 so they know that they have to do it more than all the other ones. Just a little more. So that, yes, 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 yes. Okay, everyone seems to be happy. Let's go into skills. Okay, you don't have any skills. You have skills. You are a doctor. So we could do. I think I want this. I don't think I care about doctoring. I think I want that. You like digging, so you're gonna be a digger. And you're gonna be and then you could be a builder? Yeah, you're gonna be a builder. Oh, yes. Hold on, wait, I need to give her a hat, 'cause she's a builder. Perfect. Can I give all of them a hat? I can't. Oh, you get, like, oh, because, this guy. She just gets a hat. And you get a research hat. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Now that all of them have hats. She has her hat on and she's happy. That's good. Having hats on make them happy. Okay, everything seems to be working out fine. I think I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna go get some more. I think I need one more cot, so let's go into furniture. Let's go right here, because why not? We need more oxygen down here as well. So we are going to get. We don't have any more materials. Hold on. I'll also do this, I guess. So you can do that. You guys don't really need to do that, because now that we have this coal thing, you can just fill it up with coal. Oh, well, you finished researching, yes. Okay. Okay, I can test you out by putting 2 of you over there. Just put one more over here. Yeah. Stores a small amount of food. Food must be delivered to box spot. Okay, so what you're saying is I should place this right here? Oh, go to the bathroom then. You're eating, go to the bathroom, go to the bathroom. Okay, good. Okay. So if there's 2 bathrooms full, that means another person's gonna want to go to the bathroom. And that's just not gonna be good, so I'm gonna place some more outhouses. Don't be a binge eater. You're not a binge eater, right? Okay, good. Sucks that they feel nauseous. That's not good. What's it got with this? Let's just place this, like, here. Because why not? I don't know. Okay. Why don't you guys just feed this thing coal? This thing just needs coal. It's a priority 7. Just feed it some coal. That's literally all you have to do. I installed this so it could help you. That's why I installed it. Why don't you guys go do it? Wait, did all of you guys just get skill points? Oh, they level up. Can't wait until you get your own personal hire. Oh, I'm gonna have to end this video soon. Because, well, I only have like 3 minutes left in the thing. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. No, I'm not gonna end it right here. I think I'm going... No, I'm gonna end it here. Okay, guys, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you like this video as well. Oh, they did that, okay. So... Bye.